Hello and welcome to your number one sporting program. We're na Sierra Network Sports with Misil Akem Takabo. Today, Sierra the Sport Basket, we will get the views of citizens concerning the promise we President Biome make to our darling Leon Stars for when they qualify for go the Africa Cup of Nations na Cameroon Yaoundé. We will get the young views concerning the plot of land and the 100 million loans we promise for give them and they don't fulfill in promise. Good day, sir.
Yes, but how are you, sir?
Fine, and welcome to Sierra Network Sports.
Thank you very much.
We just want to get you take concerning the promise where the President Biome make to our darling Leon Stars where they may qualify for the AFCON inside Yaoundé, Cameroon 2022. We may promise we give each player a plot of land and 100 million leons, and we don't fulfill in promise. So as a citizen and also a sports loving fan, what do you take towards that?
Oh, thank you very much for making you get me on this interview. So the promise the president gave this Lyon Star team for making them qualify go Cameroon 2021. It don't get fulfilled. Now a big strike in the football family, the football fraternity as a whole. And this is not the first in this way. The president of Sierra Leone don't promise the football team, especially Lyon Star, and then go and qualify, and it don't fulfill in promise. Now a big boost to the football family as a whole.
Okay, but we see another sporting discipline where is concerned, say, they only concentrate to football, they forget like the volleyball, the karate, you understand, there other different sporting discipline. So you self feel say now the right thing that they do, or maybe the president or the government of Sierra Leone need for look into that as well?
Yes, some certain association, as you rightly say, the volleyball, the karate, they all the gumble. But mind you, football now the most loving sport at the entire world. And you see where the team qualify. When I see the people who come out that Tuesday, when then the Conakry, when I see Freetown, all man come out from Gani, Grandpa, young Pekin, they all come out for go chair the president because this is for 25 years. I remember where he want come as a president, where then get the symposium and been to money. He said that him been the way Lyon Star go Nations Cup 96, and he go make Lyon Star go Nations Cup back. And indeed, we see in 2021, 2022, under the leadership of retired Brigadier Dr. Julius Madabio, we see he don't do him back. And people, they're not only glad for we the team not qualify. I should say they're glad because this same man 25 years ago, we send Lyon Star go Nations Cup, don't come back and it talk him and it don't do him. I should say that make people and go meet in a state house. That kind of crowd they and ever see him, even when they can get political rally, it may pass political rally. Then you talk about the other discipline then. The other discipline then, nobody no go share we say yes, now sports, now number one sports, now football now number one. But again, we dey pray when you don't begin doing so, you go down to the volleyball, the cricket, the table tennis, long tennis, you go down back. But football, not the most loving sport, not the world. I can call them the A sports. So it's unfortunate way they're not able. Some of the team they're not able to qualify for go Olympic. But that's small. I should say the president, I listen president and I go listen to people and cry. Say not to football only, na sports. We get over 30-something discipline now. So I know say I go put attention and dandy. But what I tell the other discipline them, do ya more could support the president, make it calm and put yai for the other discipline, including the National Sports Authority, because na in the president in yai pan sports, because na them for don't put in case before. But anyway, we pray say the president go listen to them.
So before we end this interview, you will tell who your name and what that you be.
Me na Alfred Tucker. I done do in sport for a long time. Me na long tennis player, but now at see age. Then me na deputy stadium manager. So I don't dey behind sport for long. 94, 96, and happy for make this history repeat. We are still there into sports 2021, 2022. Thank you, the government of Sierra Leone. Thank you, the people of Sierra Leone, especially retired Brigadier Julius Mada Bio, our president. Thank you very much, sir. But all the same, make you consider the other sports where they cry. But I'm sure you're not a listing president. When you talk, you go do them. Thank you very much.
Right. Plenty thank you for talk to Sierra Network Sports.
Thank you very much, Sierra Network Sports. I ask you, I say, why me? You say me, you just take me. So I don't need be in sports for long. So that's make you spirit take me for can't talk to me. Thank you very much, Sierra Network TV. You're welcome.
Hello, welcome to this interview. We'll tell you your name and that you be.
Yeah, I'm a coach Brian. I'm from Peacock. I'm a tennis coach and I work at the National Sport Authority.
Well, Coach Brian, we don't see you say President Biome promise Darling Leon Stars say go give each player a plot of land and 100 million leons if they qualify for the AFCON 2022. And indeed, he fulfill a promise. So as a citizen or as a coach, how you feel? What do you think concerning that?
Yeah, we get various perspectives to what this thing and various reactions how this thing happen. In the first place, me as a coach, I'm glad. Me as a citizen of this country, I'm glad. But again, if you look at some other disciplines, the way they do so much again at this country, they must talk, you understand? But they are in a day with the sick president in mandate for at least then they look into others in them. But coming to talk about it, waiting happen, all man glad. Nobody knows they were glad, but sporting discipline and the way they suffer as a result of this particular thing happening. But again, we all are for the name of Sierra Leone. So I will just say kudos to the president, to the players, and we Sierra Leone will continue for keep the fire burning and not just see what will happen next. I know say it not go be automatic, but other disciplines them self go be then go answer to the request.
Well, plenty people go think about say because football is the number one sport in the world, maybe, and football needs some kind of motivation. You understand? And even when you look where the boys them they return from Guinea, you see the kind of crowd will follow them, the kind of jubilation they get. You know a tennis coach, as you don't mention, say you know a tennis coach. How the tennis business they in the country? What kind improvements we don't get, which we don't do, or what kind challenges they facing in the tennis?
Yeah, every discipline gets successes and challenges. Okay, like we tennis, we go Benin, we qualify. First time for get after 20 something years for get ranking. With this administration we go Benin, we qualify under 12, under 14. And now we self get ranking now West Africa. But again, tennis is not too popular a sport. To be candid, and not to hide from person. If now like when football qualifies, if not been tennis, we qualify. And all we then give you all the same answer to all which we need. I think say the sport go fine for everybody. But some people then look from the perspective says football are the most popular sport. And at the sport where everybody can play, we go see 22 people and behind one green ball. But you know go see 6 people and behind one green tennis ball. So that's not the difference we make football popular past the other sport them. But again, the other sport then they do very well in their own, like cricket, volleyball, tennis. Other sport then the way they do very, very well. So we don't know what's happen, but again, football popular. So that make beaucoup people and go look at and say football go make a resounding noise for all the other sport then.
So now look these other aspects. As you don't say, when I go get a ranking after 20 years, what than ever happen. and I don't get a ranking in West Africa. And also, after 25 years, Leon Stars not qualify for the Africa Cup of Nations. I just want to know two lights between. They're all two seem to be the same, though 5 years difference. So as a coach, you will feel disappointed where the government maybe come for do what they do for the footballers. That's all.
Well, anything will happen. To me, all keep on quite apart from sports and every other thing. Not take them from the nationalism point of view. Me, I'm glad. Because some of them they don't play football for so long, they never achieve everything they achieve. So it could be me brother tomorrow. It could be me Pekin. It could be any other person. So I only want to say, at least they then give other sporting discipline ages. Like when we go qualify West Africa, so for come, they help we in that perspective. They fine. At least let be rotational. For every progress where every discipline make, at least let be acknowledged by all. Now that means they say.
So what's in the world where you go left with here network sports?
Well, me a sport I like. In fact, I be play football. And because of the kind nature of the family work about, Creole, who they play football and say serious. Now make them and beat me till I left football. But football are the most popular sport to be Kenyan and not go ahead for anybody. The only thing where they say, let we all put hands on deck, we support the team. And support any other discipline where they do well in their own corner. Like waiting, volleyball, cricket, table tennis, all the other sporting discipline. At least they themselves they get ages and they kind of the limelight. I think go fine for we all. All man go proud of your own sport. That's not one thing. For every person able glad for your own sport, you go glad for other person's sport. But if you don't make it glad for your own sport, you don't go glad for other person's sport. Now that's no more me get for say.
Thank you for talking to SM Sport.
Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name or that you be.
I'm not Asise.
Okay, Mami Aminata, you don't Wallo witness who Salon qualify for the Africa Cup of Nations. And the president me promise he go give each player 100 million with one plot of land. As a citizen, how you feel?
I'm glad for that. Waiting the president to try. That he will go footballer speed for me them play back who will win the World Cup. I'm glad for that way they entertain the footballer them. That time they win Salon. Nobody they talk about we gain. I'm glad waiting the president to may God bless her. Waiting they may God make it succeed.
So you get boy picking also can play ball?
I no get boy pikin dey play ball o. They all dey go school.
Well, you know, go encourage Bobo instead they play ball. We don't see football as something somebody will get a living out of now.
When you reach to that stage dey, you go play ball. That stage dey.
Plenty, thank you for talking to me.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Tell you name or that you be.
Okay, well, me na Hassan Monya, born from Kenema. Yes.
Hassan, world witness will you start qualify for Africa Cup of Nations, and the president me promise say go give land and 100 million loans, and he don't fulfill his promise. As a citizen of this country, how you feel?
Well, first of all, I go say congratulations to the president first because number one, now a lucky man, you understand, eh? Because from since Sierra Leone we don't come out, outside we come out. Yes, though other man be the come but no able push and go there inside the but ain't get that power there and the lock come by inside, then we'll take back Usa will be there. So I tell and thank you for that day.
So like you don't say you tell the president plenty thank you for what you do. But other sports then they will not to only football. We then say the government would say by right, then say for the get then kind of moral booster there. So how you feel concerned?
Well, especially like me when they talk so now, me back at this side the Olympic now who can play and ball now and can even say who self the slow go on. But the president don't begin show say yes, the sports and athletes super the sports because when you don't begin doing for the big one them so the one they will abopa, I believe say we go where they underground, where they try for train, it go must get that sorry out for we because Motama you not go say I want to I think anything so far that is all you go take and step by step. So I not go say now because of president don't do and so back tomorrow like can do so. I know say once you know so they on the spot, disability they on the spot, they go must put on. Yes, and Apope, from since na a discipline man, yes, we know say very disciplined. Even from where Kaisa self, some of the disabled boy and say this, the pioneer allow una state house na this na that, but we hope say any way come, he go make sure say he reach all the disabled. Like me they talk so now, then they shape some money. Though I not get it self, but I still get the courage and hope say I must get. Yes, so I get the faith. And we tell and thank you, let's continue for the do for we and help we. Because especially with the disability, we run partner streets. Most of we na street to the sleep. You understand? Eh? So we pray, let the president take we in our hearts. Find big place when a big land build for we. Some of we learn skills, we get people putting with some of we go school, but we not get that up and we be see and we put another way for let back do something. So the pray let God go church mind for we.
Thank you for talking to Sierra Network Sport.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. And we pray let God go make this nation how we let we get peace. Let the sickness where they come try for Kaisa back, let it push away because we don't come across most of the crises there will be say we family and the loss, picking and the loss. So now we not go on no problem again at this country or in a sickness or any other thing. Lord live comfortable life. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Can you please tell your name or that you be?
Yeah, Mina Coach Ernest, CEO Cycle Rangers Football Foundation.
Coach Ernest, world witness way our Dali Leo Stars qualify for the Africa Cup of Nations inside Cameroon. And the president may promise say go give a plot of land a sum of 100 million where you don't do. So as a football coach, how you feel concerned with that?
Yeah, and a very big boost for saloon football. It's a big benefit for the players them. We succeed for getting money, but a very big thing for the nation's football because like this alone, they motivate the boys them. If you watch now, you will see jam-packed of training session. You see like now this we as coaches they look for. We they do this thing always for satisfy the boys them and for satisfy the nation.
If you say still like this for the continue?
Oh yes, of course, for the continue. Because not that when I say continue, not that every game they play and forgive them that. Yes, they're supposed to forgive them the stipends. Yeah, they forgive them. But like times of qualification, well for qualify for go take part and represent the country. That's for the happen. So you go to motivate the younger boys them, the smaller boys they all the train so now.
So this motivation where the president do some other sporting discipline and the way themselves is concerned say themselves can do well, find the government they concentrate to them. Though you're not a football coach, but I believe so you're not a sports loving somebody. Yeah. What do you take concern with that?
Well, yes, that's another good one. Not just football, not the only sport in this country. Yes, football is the biggest one in this country. But we get other sporting disciplines there. Like I know about swimming, I know about cricket, and I know about I think volleyball or beach ball. Yeah, the tennis and everything they call. Let's say they do it. I think recently also, the last one we get. I don't know if now. We get one sporting discipline called Laurels. It's tennis, yeah. I think others than there. I don't know if I'm Morocco or what. Yeah, even we got this I call this beach volleyball. You get them. You got cricket. Then they count a lot of Laurels in this country. But we not ever see something like this happen yet. So they are all parts of Sierra Leone. They are all sport loving and sport minded. So we expect say the government, even if not to this government against it, you understand. The other governments they already come. This go to continue because this government don't do it already. In fact, they don't do it, so they can't continue to again. So we expect the other governments they will go come, they will continue. That's what we want to let it continue. So we will motivate sport-loving people and the one they will take part in the sporting and the disciplines.
So already don't talk. So what's go hard?
Well, we did like me on for me own foundation. Me as you see, so this foundation, I run this foundation. I don't get no sponsorship from anybody yet. You see, but like from this foundation, we don't get boys. They don't represent saloon. You see, so but there are no sponsorship yet from any organization or what or governments or what. So we really look up to governments or any organization or big offices. Then let them come in and see how best they can support the Cycle Rangers Foundation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Well, now so we'll draw down the curtain for today's edition of Sierra Network Sports. Me don't be your host, me Nasila Kemtakabo. Plenty thank you to my camera operator Nasame Bright and also to my producer, Wena Abib Kaloko. Until we meet then, stay blessed.